Let us learn the word revive. Revive is a verb. Revive means to bring back to life or restore to a former or better condition. It is often used to describe the act of bringing something or someone back to a state of activity or vitality after a period of inactivity or decline. For example, if you revive a plant, you are bringing it back to life or restoring it to a former or better condition. If you revive a tradition, you are bringing it back to a state of activity or popularity after a period of inactivity or decline. It is often used to express the idea of renewal or rejuvenation and can be used in various contexts, such as in reference to plants, traditions, or ideas. Here are a few examples of how the word revive can be used in different sentences. The scientist was able to revive the plant using advanced techniques. It is a miracle that the doctor revived Samuel from an almost certain death. The success of the movie has revived her career. Experts hope the eco-friendly measures taken by the government will revive ecosystems and safeguard the diversity of Earth's species. The musician's performance revived the audience's energy and spirit. The company's new product line revived its sales and reputation. The teacher's engaging lesson revived the students' interest in the subject. The city's efforts to revitalize the downtown area revived the local economy. Synonyms of the word revive are reanimate, renew, rejuvenate and revitalize. Antonyms of the word revive are weary, enervate and exhaust.